I would like to produce an educational video about the famous pieces of the world, the ones I play, and most of people love it, either in classic or pop. Titanic, the famous My Heart Will Go On from Celine Dion, in the key of F, which means we have one flat and it is the note B. And the blue danub waltz. Here we go. My Alexander Rybak, very lovely song in key of G minor. Una cabeza by Carlos Gardel. It's a lovely song. I introduced these pieces for you. Thank you for watching.